Fast fashion giant Shein will strengthen its presence in Europe and Mexico, including selling more locally made products in a bid to diversify its China-centric supply chain. The company will launch an online marketplace in Mexico this month where products from third-party sellers can be bought alongside Shein's own brand of $10 dresses and 12 jeans. That'll be followed by rollouts in Germany, Spain, France, and Italy in the third quarter. Reset the move builds on existing offerings in Brazil and the U.S. and reinforces the entire localization strategy worldwide. Leonard Lim, global head of public affairs, said in an interview with the company's headquarters in Singapore, "We'll be prepared to grow the diversification and work with manufacturing suppliers in other countries as well." Shein's pivot to selling products other than its own, including Skechers shoes and Lance and all mother care items, brings it closer to what rival Temu offers. The bargain shopping app backed to PDD Holdings' Dana Salata with Bod Nation's project has surged in popularity in the U.S. and saw sales top Shein's in May with its wide array of items from clothing, with the time of socket wrenches. Lin said Shein's expansion isn't a reflection of what competitors are doing, and the firm will continue to focus on what it can offer to the young female shoppers that are its core clientele. There's been a huge increase in demand from customers for more product variety, he said. Despite its diversification push, the company remains heavily reliant on a vast network of contract manufacturers in China that churn out new designs in about 10 days to meet often the fast-changing whims of Western consumers. All the system has underpinned Shein's rapid ascent, far surpasses Zara and H&M in the U.S. fast fashion market. It's also left the company mired in the middle of U.S.-China tensions that are rippling across a raft of sectors. The firm has also long faced criticisms that run the entire gamut of its operations, from accusations about stealing designs to links to forced labor and its contribution to overconsumption that's harming the environment. The company has spent millions to address those concerns, including upgrading factories and launching a program that showcases independent designers' work and gives artists a cut of the profits. As Lin said, Shein takes copyright infringement seriously and uses automated and manual checks to review products from suppliers and third-party sellers before offering them for sale. The company all monitors geopolitical developments and is committed to complying with local laws and regulations. He said, "We take visibility across our entire supply chain seriously and are committed to respecting human rights and adhering to local laws in each market we operate in," Lin said. "We have zero tolerance toward forced labor. Efforts to shift further away from China are also likely to remove one of its biggest disadvantages: long delivery times." The company already has distribution centers in the U.S. Midwest and California to get items to customers quicker, has opened a warehouse in Toronto, and has a facility in Poland. Local production is being considered in India under a partnership with Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries Limited, and there are about 1,000 manufacturers of Shein branded items across Turkey and Brazil. The company wants the South American country the first to get a Shein marketplace to have 85% of sales from local producers and merchants by 2026, Lin said. Shein is already rolling out the red carpet to entice businesses. It will offer training and incentives like waiving commission for certain periods of time to potential top vendors that wants 100,000 sellers across all marketplaces to achieve annual sales of $100,000 with another $10,000 in 3 years, according to Lin. Some of the company's current sellers have managed monthly sales that top $1 million within 3 months of joining the platform.